The 2000s saw the first phase of digitization of financial services in Nigeria. At that time, we had to walk into a bank branch to be able to access any type of banking service or do a banking transaction. We also carried around a lot of cash every day just to ensure that we don't get stranded, in spite of the fact that we would have funds in our account. Now, for smaller banks, particularly MFIs, record keeping was practically manual. This meant that not just did you have to visit a branch to access funds, but you would have to visit your own branch to be able to get access to your funds. The first generation of digital financial services were powered by expensive and inflexible imported software that didn't quite fit into the local banking environment in Nigeria. This led to failed projects, customer experience issues, and left smaller banks that didn't have a huge capex budget without any digital infrastructure whatsoever. In 2008, Wale, Emeka, and myself identified these gaps and started to work with some of the big banks to plug them up one specific area at a time. Now, because our solutions were homegrown and built from ground up, we're able to innovate and localize functionality to address peculiar needs within the banking industry in Nigeria. In no time, our focus shifted from solving specific problems to creating a full banking stack designed to be delivered from the cloud. At that time, even though cloud infrastructure was new, we realized its potential to transform digital infrastructure, not just in finance, but in every aspect of the entire economy. Our story clearly shows our deep passion for digital financial services. Yet, our passion is not about delivering financial services directly to individuals or businesses. Our passion is about enabling financial services providers to reach their full potential through innovative, homegrown digital infrastructure.
When we started Bank One in 2009, the cloud was pretty new. We've always been adventurous with technology, and we decided to bet on it. We were transitioning from building custom software solutions to delivering those services as software as a service. We were able to leverage cloud to not just deliver solutions to our customers in a cost-effective way, but provide it in a secure manner and deliver at the highest quality. At Appzone, we've always been early adopters of innovative technology that we believe will transform industries. Cloud was one of them. In the same vein, we worked on some of the most complex and sophisticated technologies in the industry. Some of them include building our solutions on microservices that are deployed to distributed systems on the cloud, and also leveraging serverless computing. We've been able to incorporate AI, such as natural language processing and machine learning, into our systems, like chatbots, personalized banking systems, and credit scoring systems. We've also had to research on EMV, which is technology powering chip and pin, to deliver on card personalization and transaction processing. More recently, we've had to delve into blockchain. We built out the blockchain network that is integrated to legacy banking and payment systems. One of the core values at Appzone is innovation. We believe in first principles thinking, and it has challenged us to think of delivering solutions that the industry really needs. This has brought us into uncharted waters when it comes to technology. Also, we incorporate global best practices, not just in building software, but also in delivering the software to our customers, ensuring best quality and standard. From the operations team to the sales team to the technology team and the back office, where we have the finance, the marketing, and the people and culture teams, everybody at Appzone is exceptional at what they do. And this is because the talent recruitment process in Appzone is very stringent. In fact, we only unpick the top 1% of entrepreneurial and technical talent. And this is because we strongly believe that building complex technology that need to be innovated continuously on is something that only the best of the best can do.
We're focused on the big picture and impact. Our products have accelerated growth across various market segments. Take, for instance, microfinance. Our cloud-based core banking platform, Bank One, has transformed microfinance banking in Nigeria as we know it. Today, We have over 450 microfinance banks disbursing over $650 million in loans annually. That's huge. In debit card payment adoption, our Instacard issuance solution has accelerated the adoption of cards across the Nigerian market by reducing the time it takes to issue one card from 7 days to just 5 minutes. And then in payment infrastructure, our new blockchain payment platform, just 6 months after launch, has done over 700% more in transaction volumes. So at our core, what are we good at? We're good at identifying opportunities, and we have the courage to take calculated risks to realize the result that we have envisioned. A lot of the problems that we've tackled and challenged over the years are very complex problems. But thanks to the amazing team we have and our sight set on the big picture, we always pull through.
Nigeria is actually ahead of most other African countries. In other African countries, they also have problems with core automation. They have problems with digital channels for delivery of financial services, and they have issues with NPLs and loan repayments and the cost of processing. Based on that, we have also reached out, taking this platform, this full banking stack, to other environments, other countries. We have a couple of clients, extreme West Africa and the Gambia, in Ghana, some clients in Kenya, POCs running in Tanzania and the Central African Republic. We are looking to, in the next 3 to 4 years, be able to roll out to the rest of the continent just by taking this full stack solution that we've built into each of those countries, establishing partnerships with those who have the same kind of vision we have for the continent, and making sure we can deliver the services and bring the continent out of poverty.
Just like technology available in the past was not suitable for the digital banking experiences we take for granted today, today's payment infrastructure cannot support the cashless future of our society. In response to this need, we have built a truly reliable, frictionless, and universally interoperable payment infrastructure using blockchain technology and based on an architecture that scales indefinitely. Our decentralized payment network connects banks and fintechs together to enable transactions flow between them without an intermediary. Following this groundbreaking innovation, Appzone is now evolving to become a payment infrastructure company. Staying true to our passion for creating digital financial infrastructure, and because of the daunting task of doing it at scale in the payment space, we have decided to focus exclusively on this one goal to create the next generation of payment infrastructure for Africa. The high point of this significant and exciting transformation is that we've evolved our identity from Appzone to become Zone. We have carved out our banking as a service business into a separate standalone company, which will be led by Emeka and an amazing leadership team, so they can continue to serve existing clients and expand the product's reach. Zone is a regulated blockchain network that connects financial services providers to enable payments and issuance of digital currencies. The team at Zone is on a mission to connect every monetary store of value using blockchain and provide one global API to pay anyone, anywhere, in any currency. We've built the future of payments. Now, connect to it.